Kusangpo, hello, namaste and tashtele to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, friends. And friends, I am back in the kitchen to share with you guys this one of my favorite recipe, cooking in a Korean stone pot. So friends, for this you need minimal ingredients. So here I have started that I'll start up my pot first, and then I will add a little bit of olive oil, and then after that I will spread that oil with a wooden spoon or ladle, so that way it's evenly spread on the stone pot. And then after that I will let it heat for like 2 to 3 minutes. And friends, here please make sure that your stove heat is on like low, okay? You should not start off with high heat, otherwise your pot is going to crack. And while the pot is being heated, let me share you the ingredients. I have some beef strip, sliced garlic, sliced tomato, and some Shitso green peppers, feta cheese, 2 slices of American cheese, salt. So I just want to test here, friends, if my pot is warm enough for me to add the beef, and it looks good. So I am going to add the beef now and saute this for like 2 to 3 minutes, friends, not much, because you don't want to overcook the beef also, and also you don't want to undercook it. So by the time you know this whole dish is cooked, your beef is like medium well. Here I'm going to add a little bit of salt, not much, because feta cheese and the American sliced cheese also contains salt. So just be mindful when you're adding salt at this point, because you can always add it at the end. You don't want it to be too salty. And going to add like 3-4 cups of water here, and let it simmer and let the water reduce for a little bit before I add the other ingredients. After 3 to 4 minutes, it's time to add the ingredients, and here I am starting to add garlic first. And now I'm going to layer all the ingredients. and adding green peppers. Tomatoes. And I will cover the lid and let this simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add the cheese. First I'm adding feta cheese. Crumbled feta cheese is what I am adding right now. And after that I will add the sliced American cheese. After adding the cheese, you just have to cover the lid for like 1 to 2 minutes so that the cheese melts evenly. Okay, let's check and see how the cheese has melted evenly. Give a nice stir. Taste salt, and friends, at this point please make sure you want to to remember to turn off the heat. You don't want to overcook your peppers. I mean, it's going to taste good even if you overcook it, but to make this Bhutanese dish, generally the pepper has to remain on the little bit on the crunchier side when you bite it. So friends, it's time to taste salt, and this is almost ready, and your beef and green pepper curry is ready. You can serve this with rice, choice of your roti or any carbs. And friends, look at this, I'm already drooling it. I can't wait to eat it. And friends, thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe, leave comments, and please stay safe. Share lots of love, happiness and peace to you all. Thank you for watching.